Hello and welcome to my channel. Today I will be working on my Project Life week 35 using the Studio Calico Documenter Kit. I always get my pictures laid out first and print out the print and cut labels using my silhouette file with the colors coordinating with the kit. Now in the first picture I have a picture of the teacher's emergency kit that I made for each of my kids' teachers, and I'm writing on the label made teacher emergency kits for their teachers and the date that I made them. I always like to staple my labels just to add a little dimension. Now next is the first day of school pictures that I took of my kids. I'm putting photo corners on this black and white photo. For some reason the photos on the back with my garage door as the background makes it really weird. Their faces come out different, so I always switch it to black and white. On the 3x4 card, I am putting that it is week 35. I like to date all of my pictures and let you know, or let me know, which week it is for the year. Now on the picture of my kids, I use the stickers and put yes exclamation point, because finally all 5 kids are in school. My baby is only in school 5 mornings a week, but I'll take it. That's time for me to actually work on my Project Life. Or work on scrapbooking while the kids are gone. Now this 3x4 picture is a picture that my son's teacher emailed me. She sent me this picture of Zach in an email, and I wrote back to her saying she's speaking my love language. Now on this 3x4 journal card that I have, I wrote, I thought about starting a YouTube channel for a long time. I was scared and knew I didn't have the time. Now that all 4 kids are in school 5 days a week, Kaya is in half day, I started practicing recording myself, both in beauty and scrapbooking. So at this point, I was still deciding which kind of YouTube channel I would start. So there's a picture of me holding some beauty products in my hand, and I, of course, date that one. I also took a picture of me recording my scrapbooking videos, and I wrote, facing my fears and just starting, telling myself I will learn along the way. I don't have to know everything before I start the journey. It's hard for me to get started on something if I feel like I don't understand the entire process and how to do everything just right. That includes recording and editing and all that. So I'm learning as I go. Hopefully it'll just get better. The next picture is one of my son playing football. He plays in Friday Night Lights League. And I wrote, love watching Christian play. And I wrote the date on there. And of course I stapled that label as well. So that completes the left side. I always do the embellishments last, and I'm taking these chipboard hearts and placing them on my kids' pictures. The one with the 4 of them going back to school, the one where the teacher sent me a picture of them, and the one of my son playing football. Now this, I next go to the asterisk puffy stickers and place them next to some labels. And you'll see I think I'm done with this page. So I move on to the second page. Like I said, I always like to put my pictures in chronological order, even if the colors may not all jive together. For me, I think in chronological order, so it's best for me to do it that way. And I'm type A enough that I know I have to have it that way. The top left picture is a picture of the dance team swim party. They always get a group picture during the party, so that's that one. The second 4x6 picture, my son got to get a beach day with some of his friends on the same day as a pool party. Boy, was I tired after that. The 3x4 picture is a picture of my daughter going to acro class, and she said, this is going to be my favorite class. So I wrote that quote down on the label with the date. And on the 3x4 journal card, I wrote, Kaya is thrilled to be on the Hot Tots competitive dance team. She also wanted to dance every day. With her schedule now, she dances 4 days a week, and she still asks for more. I was really hesitant on putting her into dance class 4 days a week because she's only 5 years old, but she begs to go to dance every day, and since we're able to do it, we're doing it for her this year. And the picture of her in the 3x4 pictures of her going to her Hot Tots dance team. I use the 3x4 card, learning ignites curiosity we never knew we had. This applies to dance and also for school and also for me starting my YouTube channel. The bottom 4x6 picture is of me uploading my first YouTube video, and it said my very first YouTube my very first upload onto YouTube as Simply Pearl. That's my scrapbooking channel. I label and wrote that on. If I was smart, I would have made sure that the YouTube letter stickers fit on top, but lucky for me, I squished them in so that they fit right on top of the label. And I like that white on white because it makes it a little less obvious. The last picture is one of my family with the Tams, and they got to do a beach day before school started. Oh no, the weekend that school started, and they all went to Del Mar Pizza afterwards. I'm going back with my chipboard stickers and putting them into 3 different spots. I like to do things in odd numbers. Then I go through my asterisk puffy stickers and I put them in a couple spots as well. 3 spots, 1, 2, 3. Like to do everything in 3s. Now I think I'm done with this, and I'm gonna go bring both pages together, and I decide I want to use more of the photo corners. I'm using the EK Success powder tool to get the stickiness off of the back of the photo corners, and then I put it on the one with the family at the pizza place, and also the one of me recording my scrapbooking video. And there you have my week 35. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.